Alright, check this out. I picked these up at Dollar Tree. These are Squishy Palz. A 2-pack of Squishy Palz. Now there's a whole assortment. I just picked up 2 just to get a feel, a vibe of what's going on. They do stretch, squeeze, squishy feel. Here's the barcode if you need to scan it. Do not overstretch. Gently stretch and squeeze your jiggly pal. And as you can see, there's different faces on here. Different character faces. We even got a goldfish. That one looks pretty cool. A little chicken, like a cloud or something. But yeah, I picked up 2 of these at Dollar Tree. And if you don't know, everything at Dollar Tree is for $1. So I'm going to open up this one here. I mean, you really don't even need to open them up. They have a little window here, and you can see what's inside. But yeah, let's open them up. So our first one is, not quite sure. What is that? Dog? Little doggy? I have no idea. Nice and stretchy, nice and squishy. A little poochy. And our second one. What is this? Dolphin? Looks like a dolphin. Flipper. Flipper the dolphin. Nice and squishy. So you can get a 2-pack of these for $1. Go ahead and get you a whole assortment. Let's open up package number 2. There's no checklist, so you gotta go by. When you find these in the store, you gotta go by looking in the little window here. But I see no checklist. This is a little duck. Little ducky poo. And we got a pig. I don't know why they're flat like that. It's kind of strange. Let's line them up. They're little. So we got a dolphin, a little pig, a little duck, and I assume this is a dog. I have no idea. But yeah, these are Squishy Pals with a Z at Dollar Tree. For ages 4 and up, 2-pack. Go get you some. Dollar Tree finds. $2. You got 4 of them. Have a little party. Little party favors for your friends, for your enemies. I don't know. Check them out. Dollar Tree. Have a good day.